Can I save this hair without using scissors? There is a beauty in every step of the pregnancy and after the baby is born. Women are always so hard on themselves to bounce back immediately after having a baby. Society wants you to bounce back when it comes to hair, body, lifestyle, and other things. Give yourself some grace, sister. You just brought life into the world. The woman in this chair wrote to me about how her relationship with her hair has changed since having 2 kids. I want to read it to you. A wife, a mother of 2, a 4-year-old and a 7-month-old. Dealing with my hair was never easy since I have type 4 hair. I always took the easier route, cutting it off or getting a pixie cut. And I loved how it looked on me. On my second pregnancy, guess what? I couldn't bleach, relax or dye my hair. My hair slowly started growing out and the little afro began to appear. But I didn't feel like myself with that hairstyle. For years I would have a short, almost bald cut, and suddenly I had to embrace something that didn't match my personality or my style. Just thinking about brushing it every day while taking care of my partner and my 4-year-old, all while pregnant, was too much for me. So the next step was to get a wig. I bought some curly bundles and asked my sister to bleach them ginger for me, and she did it perfectly. I started rocking a curly ginger wig. I was amazed, but my hair underneath was being neglected. I didn't even bother getting braided since it was just a small afro. When I looked at my delivery photos for my second birth, I see myself with a mini afro because I couldn't bear wearing a wig during labor. So I kept wearing this wig for months, washing my real hair only now and then. Since it was protected underneath, I didn't think much of it. Then suddenly, within 2 or 3 months, my hair started to mat. I fixed it the first time, but the following week it got worse and worse again. I could have shaved it off, yes, but it wasn't the way. I needed to find myself. I needed to find a solution. I needed to find another route and finally solve the problem I had been escaping for years. My life changed, and so did my hair. Having 2 kids, a lot of pressure and stress, high blood pressure, and other personal issues led me to this point. It's okay to ask for help. As a mother, sometimes we need time for ourselves. Just having my hair unmatted made me realize, how can I give the best of me to my kids and my loved ones if I'm not at my best? Thank you, Inês, for helping me gain my confidence, little by little. The hair is only the starting point. If your hair is very dry, water will be your best friend. Apply as much water as possible before applying the detangler. Always detangle in small sections and first start with your fingers, and then if you need an extra hand, use a comb. I'm using two different types of detanglers. One of them, the formula is already available on my YouTube channel, which is the aloe vera gel or aloe vera detangler, and the other one I'll be posting on my page really soon. Start detangling from the tips and then move your way up the hair strands. No scissors needed, just patience, time, and the right products and tools. You do not need to navigate this season of your life by yourself. Your hair got matted, you experience postpartum hair loss, your hair hasn't been washed in weeks, and that's okay. You are keeping tiny humans alive. If you know anyone in London who needs help detangling their hair, send them my way. I'd love to work on their hair too. And if you are a mom, I want to hear your story too. Comment below, how has your hair and hair care changed since having kids? And don't forget, you have to adapt your hair needs to this new reality, and that's fine. We learn from our mistakes, so give yourself some grace, mama. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.